Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just decided to just pop on. No particular reason or anything. Okay, so I see these all the time, these get unready with me's. So let's do that. I think that would be kind of, we're gonna go on with these Neutrogenas. This is like my favorite time of the day when I'm taking this off. I like putting it on, but I love taking it off. I've already taken my lashes off, so. And I had on black liner, so of course I gotta get all of that off from where I did a tight line. Okay, so I'm going to do coconut oil, and it's the Vita Cocoa. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you I just kind of use what's good for my aging skin. So today we're using the Equate, and this is a regenerating daily cleanser like the Olay. And I like that one too. I've used it before. It's nice. I'm just taking it like into my hairline because I noticed there was some snake up there. And I'm using the, let's see, the Dickinson's. It's the witch hazel. And this one is hydrating toner with rose water. This one is really nice. I really like that one. A little bit of vitamin C. Ew. And I have a tiny bit of, I've been hanging on to it, but my hyaluronic acid, just a little bit. Collagen moisturizer, and I use it for day or for starter. I have a little bit of Mary Kay time-wise eye cream left, not a lot. Icing on the cake. And basically I just let this dry. I help it along with my fan. I love rose water. If I had some rose water, I would spray the rose water over my face. Would do that, but I don't have any more. I need to get some more. I need to get a big bottle of this. Then I'm gonna finish up with my EOS lip balm. All right, we're done. So let's go out there. Okay, so I'm going to brush this stuff up here. And we're just gonna do a little. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot. Just a little top knot. A cricket knot. So we're cleansed and hydrated and moisturized just to get unready with me. I thought that was kind of cool. I've seen them a lot, but I've never actually done one. So I guess this is my first one. I will leave the products in the description box of what I use to cleanse my face. I'll come in a little closer so you guys can kind of get a better view of my skin. That's me. See, I have large pores, and I have some wrinkles here. But it's okay because it is what it is. I try to do that routine on a regular, in the morning, at night. And I know a lot of people ask me questions about makeup and why do I wear makeup, or, you know, can you do videos without wearing makeup? You know, the thing of it is that on a regular, day-to-day, I rarely wear makeup. That's just the thing. I don't wear it hardly at all. This is how I am pretty much most of the time. So when I'm here on the channel, I love creating looks that work with my hair or with my outfit, or either I work my outfit and hair around my face. So, you know, the comments like, you know, it's gonna ruin your face. No, it does not ruin your face. As long as you are taking care of your skin, then makeup is totally fine. Take care of your skin. Make sure you wash it off, but take care of your skin morning and night, and you won't have a problem at all. So, and you know, just be gentle with your skin. You don't have to, you know, be so rough and everything with the skin. I mean, it's, you know, skin is delicate, especially around the eye area. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that's my spiel on that. Okay, so I figure since we are winding down, we're in our pajamas, our face is clean, hair is up in a top knot. You can't do the wind down with the white wine. Okay? No. Okay, to me, there is something about the wind down with the red wine. It is comforting. It's like comfort food, you know. So when you have a nice red, it's evening, you're kind of like, yeah, I think I want to just grab me a nice glass of wine. And most people, when you say that in the evening, you're thinking red. I know I am. I don't know about y'all, but I'm thinking red. So I'm just all nice and comfy, and I'm settling in with a nice red. What am I drinking? You know what I'm drinking. I keep it on hand all the time. What? Yes, Cocoa Bomb. That's what I'm drinking. Let me go get the bottle for the new people. Yeah. That's for, you know, our new friends, the new family, the new sisters. That's what we're drinking this evening for the wind down, for the get unready with me, chilling in pajamas. I'm going to sip on my red wait for Jerry to come home so we can chill, have a little dinner. I'm so nice and relaxed. Skin feels amazing. So y'all go on. Those are my kids. Y'all go on, you know, get your makeup off, do your little regimen, put your hair up in a top knot, or get your silk scarf and all that kind of stuff, put your pajamas on, go grab you a glass of wine. Guys, thanks so much. We'll see you later. Bye.